Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Vaibhav. So in today's video, we are learning about Python output variables. So output variables are nothing, but we can use the print function. So the print function is often used to output variables. For example, if we create a variable x which says Python is awesome, and with the help of print function, we are executing the x variable. So the output is Python is awesome. So in the print function, you output multiple variables which can be separated by comma also. So let's create some multiple variables. For example, x is equals to Python, y is equals to is z is equals to, you can say, let's take the same awesome. And with the help of print function, we are now executing the multiple variables x, comma, y, comma, z. And if we are running the same, the output is Python is awesome. Also, you can just use the plus operator to output the multiple variables. So in this current example, let's take the new one. So in this example, we are using the plus operator. Basically, you can also use the plus operator to output multiple variables. We are creating the same variable Python y is z. Awesome. And if we are printing this variables, now we are using the plus operator. Like also, if you are using the plus operator while executing these variables, so you have to add the space after the variable which are just combining with others, like Python is space, and you don't need to have to add space in the last variable. If we are running this, so it is executing. And there's one more thing, like notice, you can also notice the space character after Python and is, like without them result would be, you can say, very disappointing, very negative result you got if you remove the space after this. You can like you can see this. So if you are using the plus operator, just add the space last of the just two variable. And for number, the plus characters works as a mathematical, you can say, operator. So if we are creating the two variables, like x holds the value 12 and y holds the value 15, or and if we are adding this two variables like x plus y, so the output is 27, because for numbers the plus character work as mathematical operator. So in the print function, like when you try to combine a string and a number with the plus operator, so Python will give you an error. For example, let's create some variable x is equals to 12, which another one y is equals to, you can say, code with Vaibhav. And with the help of print function, x plus y. So you can see there is an error. So you can say the best way to output like this kind of multiple variables in the print function is basically you can use the comma, like separate these variables with the help of commas, and which even support different data types. So let's fix this error. So you don't need to have to do something like very complex thing. Just make some changes in the print statement like x comma y. And if we run this, the code is running. This is nothing but the best way to output multiple variables in the print function, and is to separate with them with commas, which even support different data types. So if this video found you helpful, the concept of Python output variables is now cleared. So do follow the page and like this reel.